Benta kariba hakabaka may mariam kakuduk yangi kirang ri bakwa abanyada yalaka jong kari ki ai laka jong kajingin. I am Shillong. Today I am here in your midst to tell you the story of the brave hearts of Meghalaya who sacrificed their life protecting motherland. Let's salute our martyrs for the sacrifices they made and appreciate them for giving us today. Our heroes, the brave hearts, have shed their blood for this freedom. One of the greatest freedom fighters of Khasi Hills, Tirot Singh, was born in the year 1802. He drew his lineage from the Inuit clan. He was a scheme of Nongbah, a region in the Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. In 1826, the British had concluded the Treaty of Yandabu, which gave them a stronghold over the Brahmaputra Valley. The Surma Valley had also become a possession of the British. They now wanted to link the two regions for easier transport and strategic purposes. For this, they had to construct a road through the Khasi Hills. The political agent of the British, David Scott, requested Tirot Singh for permission to construct a road cutting through the hills which belonged to the Khasis. David Scott proposed that in lieu of the permission, Tirot Singh would be given control of the Dwar, that is, passes into Assam, and also assured of free trade in the region. After consultation with his Darbar, Tirot Singh consented to the British proposal. After the construction of the road started, the Raja of Rani Balram Singh disputed Tirot Singh's possession of the Dwars and claimed them for himself. Tirot Singh expected the British to stick to their word and support him, but instead they blocked his entry. On 4th April 1829, Khasi forces under Tirot Singh attacked the British garrison. The British retaliated immediately.
from these foreigners. Come! We shall deal with them when I insist! Come, shoot at the target as if they were enemies standing in front of you!
In the fighting that ensued, the Khasis, though brave and fierce, could not match up to the modern firearms of their enemies. Despite this, Tirot Singh and his troops carried on guerrilla warfare with the British for 4 years. The British were thoroughly shaken by the Khasis. Sustaining a bullet injury, Tirot Singh hid in a cave in the hills. However, he was betrayed and captured by the British in January 1833. After a trial, he was deported to Dhaka, Bangladesh. While he was in jail, the British offered Tirot Singh to reinstate to his kingdom, but with a condition: to rule under the British. Tirot Singh refused the offer.
It's better that I die an independent king than reign as the vassal. Aba, bakla pai, shari kasi, seorang barari sana, mga Tirot Singh, mga iarap, kongsian, kumukaiti. Will you go back to the Khasi hills? Tell my fellow countrymen that I, Tirot Singh, that I died as a king and not a prisoner.
These were the immortal words of the resolute of Tirot Singh's king, who chose to take on the might of the British and sacrifice his life defending the freedom of his territory. Tirot Singh died in Dhaka jail on 17th July 1835. Now let us go to the judge.